So in 21 we have to find the value of the given. So I will put log of bracket, I will multiply the given, so it will be 11 by 5 into 14 by 3 into 15 by 22. So 15 by 22 has come because of negative sign, so it will be divided, so it will come as 15 by 22. So answer will be log 7. So in 25 we have to again find the value of the given. So first I will be simplifying the given, so it will be equal to log, first simplify 125, it will be 5 cube the whole 1 by 3, so 3 will be cancelled, then minus log 2 log base 10 into 2 square plus log 10, so 2 power 5, so it will be equal to log 5 minus 2 will come here, so it will become 4 log 10 base 10 2 plus 5 will come here, so it will be 5 log base 10 into 2. So I will simplify log 5, so it will be equal to log 10 minus log 2 minus 4 log base 10 2 plus 5 log base 10 2. So by simplifying, the answer will be log base 10 into 1. So by property that log base 10 into n will be equal to n, so here answer will be equal to 1. Sorry, the first was not 25, it was 22, and now in 23 we have to find the value of the given. So first I will simplify, so it will be equal to log 16 will be equal to 2 power 4 by 3 into 5 whole to the 7 into log, it will be 5 square by 2 cube into 3 whole to 5 plus 81 will be 3 to the power 4, and it will be equal to 2 to the power 4 into 5 whole raised to 3, bracket close. So it will be equal to log bracket, so 4 sevens are, it will be 28, so it will be equal to 2 to the power 28 by 3 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 10 into, so it will be 15, 3 5s are 15, so it will be 2 raised to 15 into, sorry for disturbance, so now it will be 3 raised to 5, and here it will be 3 raised to 12. In downward it will be 4 3s are 12, so it will be 2 raised to 12 into 5 raised to 3. So now bracket close, and now I will be cutting. So it will be here first 215 and 2 to the power 12 will be cancelled, and here 28 will be cancelled, and here will be only to the power 2 to the power 1 will remain, and here 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 7, and here 5 to the power 10 will be cutted. So now here also will be doing same. So 5 plus 7 will be equal to 12. So here I will cut this and this. So answer will be equal to log 2. In 24 we have to find the value of the given. So it will be equal to log minus 1 by 3 base minus 1 by 3 into 3 raised to 4. So it will be equal to log 3, and here I will bring minus, so minus 3 raised to 4. So it will be equal to minus 4 log base 3 into 3. So log base 3 into 3 will be equal to 1. So answer will be equal to minus 4. In 25 we have to again find the value of the given. So it will be log base 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 square whole to the power cube. So 2 root 3 square will be equal to 12, and 12 cube will be equal to 1728. So it will be equal to log 2 root base 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 whole raised to 6. So it will be equal to 6 log base 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. Here 2 log 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 will be equal to 1. So answer will be equal to 6. In 26 we have to find the value of the x. So it will be equal to log 10 x multiplied by 5. So xy will be equal to z. So log log will not come. So xy will be equal to 10 power z. So x will be equal to 10 to the power z divided by y. In 27 we have to find the value of the given. So it will be equal to log, in bracket we will multiply the all givens. So it will be equal to a square into b square into c square divided by bc into ac into ab. So it will be equal to log a square into b square into c square by a square into b square into c square. So it will be equal to log 1. So by property log base to anything into 1 will be equal to 0. So answer will be equal to 0. In 28 we have to find the value of the given. So first we will take LCM. So it will be equal to 1 by log A BC plus log base a into a plus 1 by log base b ca plus log b base b into b plus 1 by log c base c into ab plus log base c into c. Now by changing the base power, so it will be equal to log base a into a by log abc plus log base b into b divided by log abc plus 1 by it will come log c base c into c divided by log abc. So now I will take log outside and it will be equal to log bracket abc divided by log abc, so it will be equal to 1. So in 29 we have to find the value of the given, so it will be equal to 1 by log xy z divided by log xy. So here base power will be changed, so here in next it will be plus 1 divided by log xy z divided by log yz plus 1 by log xy z divided by log zx. So it will be equal to log xy plus log yz. Here it will be log xy z divided by log xy z plus log zx divided by log xy z. So here it will be equal to log xy z square divided by log xy z. So it will be equal to, so here this 2 will come this side, so it will be become log xy z divided by log xy z. So here log xyz and xyz will be cancelled, so answer will be equal to 2. In 30 also we have to find the value of the given, so it will be equal to, so I will change the base, so it will be equal to log a by log b plus log b by log c plus log c by log a. So it will be equal to log abc divided by log abc, so it will be equal to 1. In 31 also we have to find the value of the given, so in this also we will change the base power, so it will be equal to log a divided by log b plus log b by log a. So it will be equal to log a plus b divided by log b plus a. So it will be equal to 1. In 32 we have to find the statement which is incorrect. So first in A it is true because there is property that log base 2 e into 1 is equal to 0, and B log 1 plus 2 plus 3 bracket close is equal to log 1 plus log 2 plus log 3. This is also correct by property, and C is also correct because there is property that log k into k is equal to 1. So log D is incorrect because there is no such that property. In 33 we have to find that if log x plus y is equal to log x plus log y and x is equal to 1.15683, then value of the y will be equal to, it will be equal to x plus y is equal to log xy. So it will be x plus y is equal to xy. So here x will be equal to y into x minus 1. So y will be equal to x divided by x minus 1. So it will be equal to 1.5683 divided by 1.5683 minus 1. So it will be equal to 1.5683 divided by 0.568. Sorry, there was mistake here. Here it will come 1 and here also 1. Now I will divide numerator and denominator by 10,000. So answer will be equal to 1.15683 into 10,000 divided by 0.1563 into 10,000. So it will be equal to 1,15,683 divided by 15,683, which will be equal to 7.376. In 34 we have to, it is given that log base 10.2 is equal to 0.3010. The value of log base 10 into 5 will be equal to, so here we will do log 10 into base 10 into 5 will be equal to log 10, sorry, log base 10 bracket into 10 divided by 2. So it will be equal to log base 10 into 10 minus log base 10 into 2. So log base 10 into 10 value will be equal to 1 by property log n. Log base n into n will be equal to 1. So it will be equal to 1, and log base 10 to value is given that it is minus 0.3010. So answer will be equal to 0.6990. Here we have to find the value of log base 10 into 50. So log base 10 into 50 will be equal to log base 10 bracket 100 divided by 2. So it will be equal to log of 100 minus log base to 10 into, sorry, here also will be 10. So by finding the value of log base 10 into 100 is 2, and log base 10 to value is already given, that is equal to 0.3010. So it will 2 minus 0.3010. So answer will be equal to 1.699. In 36 we have to find the value of log base 10 into 80. So first we will simplify log base 10 into 80. So it will be equal to log base 10 into 80 is equal to log base 10 bracket into 10 into 2 cube. So it will be equal to log base 10 into 10 plus log base 10 into 2 cube. So it will be equal to that log base 10 into 10 will be equal to 1 by property that log n by n, log base n into n will be equal to 1. So it will be 1, and here 3 will come forward, so it will be plus 3 log base 10 into 2. So here it will be equal to 1 plus 3 into the log base 10 into 2 value, which is equal to 0.3010. So it will be equal to 1 plus 0.9030. So answer will be equal to 1.9030. So in 37 we have to find the value of the given. So we will find the value of the given by changing the base, so power. So it will be equal to log 27 we will simplify into 3 cube, and 9 we will simplify by 3 square. So log 3 square plus log, here 32 will be simplified by 2 to the power 5, and here log 8 will be simplified by 2 to the power 3. So here it will be equal to 3 log 3 2 divided by 2 log 3 plus 5 log 2 divided by 3 log 2. So it will be equal to 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. So by LCM 9 plus 10 by 6, it will be equal to 19 by 6. So this is the answer. In 38 we will be finding the value of log base 10 into 25. So first we will simplify log base 10 into 25, that is log base 10 25 is equal to log base 10 100 divided by 4. It will be equal to log base 10 100 minus log base 10 4. So it will be equal to log base 10 into 100 minus log base 10 to square. It will be equal to log base 10 into 100 minus 2 log base 10 into 2. So it will be equal to log base 10 100 by finding in logbook it is 2, and the value of log base 10 into 2 is given, that is 0.3010. so we will multiply it by 2. So it will here be 2 minus 2 into 0.3010, that is equal to 2 minus 0.6020, that is equal to 1.398. In 39 we have to find the value of the x. So first I will convert 5 power x is equal to 400 in log form. So it will be equal to x log 5 is equal to log 4 plus log 100. So log 4 plus 100 is equal has come because of multiplying 4 into 100 will be equal to 400. So it will be equal to log 4 plus log 100. Now by simplifying again, so it will be equal to x log 10 by 2 is equal to log 2 square plus log 10 square. So it will equal to x into log 10 minus log 2 equal to 2 log 2 . So here log 10 will be equal to 1. So x into bracket 1 minus log 2, which is equal to 0.3010 equal to 2. Sorry, here also it will come 2. So 2 into log 2 value is 0.3010 plus 2. So minus 1 minus 0.301 will be equal to 0.6990 x equal to 2.6020. So x will be equal to 2.6020 by 0.6990, which is equal to 3.72. This is the answer. In 40 we have to find the value of the given. So by multiplying 4 into 10,000, it will be equal to 4,000. So it will be equal to log base 10 4 plus log base 10 into 10,000 minus log base 10 into 4. So here positive sign because of multiplication, that is come by property. So here log base 10 4 into 4, and this log base 10 into 4 will be cancelled. So it will be equal to log base 10 into 10 raised to 4. So by property, log 10 into 10 raised to n will be equal to n. So here answer will be equal to 4. That is all for today.